Okay, here we got our yerf dog, Scout, all tore apart. It's got the GY6 engine. It's got piston slap like crazy. It is burning a lot of oil, so we're gonna take it apart, see if we can't rebuild it. Probably need a new crank, whole 9 yards. We'll get her started here. Okay, so looks like got a little moisture in there, or had, but I do know it was smoking pretty bad. Honestly, don't look too bad, but not sure if the rings aligned or what, but this is because it was sitting outside for a year when I parked it, so just a little bit of wiring there. We're probably gonna have to put a new head on it and a new sleeve. Get the light in there a little bit. Appears the rings were aligned when I took it all apart. That's why she was burning oil. But the sleeve looks like it's pretty rough. We're just gonna put a new piston, rod, crank. Heck, we put a new whole head for what it cost. Just we'll do it right. Okay, so we are all tore apart. As I said earlier, it did look like the piston rings aligned, but judging on how the cylinder looks right there, we're gonna buy that new, buy a crankshaft new while we're at it. Maybe that magnetic flywheel, possibly oil pump, and we'll go from there. And we might stretch this thing to be a 6-seater instead. If we're gonna go do all of this, I think we might do a little modifications to her. Don't know if it's worth it, but we'll see. Thanks for watching.